Hi, my name is Ana Reis, and I'm here to introduce you to this platform that I found recently called Interacty. This is really a very useful and powerful platform for an educator, and it can also be for other kinds of professions like marketeers. But I'm going to explore it from an educator point of view. So this is very user friendly. You can use it in a very simple and plain way. You just have to click in your account, you open your account, and then you just have to create your stuff. And to create is as simple as clicking plus create. And then you just have to choose between create a project from scratch, choose a template, or even create a real-time game event. Yes, because you can make also gamification, which is also an extra powerful tool too. So I'm just going to go through, choose a template. And you can do so many different things. You can do memory games, trivia quizzes, personality quizzes, interactive images, matchup, find a pair, timelines, hidden objects, slideshows, and fortune cookies, and so much more. So I'm going to choose, for instance, a template. So you can go through this community, and in the community you will find a lot of templates with great ideas already done. And I'll say it, I like this one, the fascinating education. And if I click see all, I can see all the templates that other people have already used, and I can choose the one I think it could fit my purpose. um, and there are so many interesting ones, really interesting and interactive. I'm going to choose, for instance, this one, what's in the box. You go preview and you can see the template, how it works. So you just have to click the image, no, and I'm going to use this template. And another thing that is pretty awesome is that you can just choose a template you want, and then you put the information that you need, and it's done. As simple and very easy. So when you click edit, you come here and you can change all this information. You just have to click. You can change the images. There is free photos, free illustrations for you, or you can upload an image of your own. So this is really simple. And after you've changed the information, you can still do a preview, to see if the game is as you like. And you can see how it goes in a PC and in a mobile version, which is awesome too. And the editor is here. You just have to go to editor. There is a lot of integrations you can do with it too. And you have the sharing options. And you will see this publish when it's done. You click publish and it's done. And when it's done, you have also these great opportunities over here. You can either share with your students the link, you just have to copy, or you can convert to a PDF and print. And this is really useful, and you can embed in a website if you want, or a school LMS, or even, and this is also a great feature, get a QR code. Okay, so you can share the QR code and everyone can see it and use it in a mobile phone. So this is really simple. And there is also the gaming thing, that you can do with all your projects. The subscription is here. You can check individuals. You can see the plans. I would say that if you just want to do simple stuff, the beginner is enough. If you want to have more views per month and more storage, you can do the intermediate. And if you have like a really good audience, so I would say advanced. So this is very simple, and I would absolutely recommend it for education because it creates really engaging materials to complement the curriculum. Games, tests, quizzes, worksheets, audio lessons, and you can even print it. How awesome is that? So take a look at this, explore it, and I guess you will love it the same way that I do. Bye-bye.